add graphics, first let's make a composition. What is graphics? I keep telling you this. These are some of the default shapes that you can use as backgrounds for items in your advertisement. To add graphics, we hold this add graphics button and drag it on the screen. So we see there is a shape, add here. Now we will select the shape layer. After that, open the graphics properties. The function we will see here is color. We will use this to change the color of the layer. In this, we can use maximum 4 gradient colors. To add gradient color, press the plus button given here. To delete the color, press this cross button. Here are some default gradient styles, like horizontal, vertical, radial, follow, and diagonal hexagon. Whatever needs to be chosen, it will be done from here. We set it vertical here, it looks good. Here there is an option to rotate the gradient color. The outline properties of the layers are given here. Outline color will be changed from here. In this also we can use maximum 4 colors. In gradient, we will set the gradient style. From here, we can increase or decrease. Shape. So, as I told you in the beginning, there are a lot of default shapes. So, for that, we can change the style of the shape from here. All the styles are checked by changing them one by one. You use this option to run the corners. The shape layer. To rotate it, we will set the angle from here to how many degrees to rotate it. Common properties. The function here is to set the visibility of it. We will use this button to hide and unhide the layer. Alpha and background. This function is used to set the opacity of the layer and change the layer background color. To set opacity, this button has to be dragged. Change the background color, one has to change the color from here. Position and size. This function can be used to change the position and height of the layer. Change X values, move the layer horizontally. And change the values to move the layer vertically. To increase or decrease the height of the layer, make changes to the height here. To increase or decrease the width of the layer, make changes to the width here. In and out effects. Here are some effects that are used when the layer is loaded and unloaded. By selecting the layer and clicking on the icon given for in and out effects and updating it, the effects are saved. In and out delay. If delay has to be set for loading and unloading of layers, then we do it from here. To set a delay when the layer loads, make changes to into delay. To set a delay when the layer is unloaded, make changes to exit delay. Auto blend. If you want to set a blink effect to the layer, then you can use this function. Set the value for how long the layer is to be shown in start, and for how long you want to keep the layer hid. Set that value wrap. The speed at which the layer has to be turned on and off will be set here in the on and off function. To repeat the effect continuously, turn on the repeat button. Use the rewind button to rewind the effect multiple times. Effects. Here are some effects like speed, shadow, blur, glow. Speed, that is if you want to scroll this layer horizontally. So you can do this by changing its value from here like this. And if you want to roll this layer vertically, so you can do this by changing its value from here like this. Shadow is used to give shadow to the layer. In this way, we can apply shadow in the layer. Blur comes in the form of blurring a layer. In this way, we can blur a layer. Glow comes down to making the layer shine. By setting it like this, we can set the glow in the layer. The rest all these tools are used to set its scaling. And to make a duplicate copy of the shape layer. And to undo and redo. And to set the order of the shape layer in the layer. And to set the alignment.
By using this cross button, we can delay it. Let's select the layers and now press this button. Now you practice these and use them to create a better overlay advertisement. Thank you.